Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In the previous few videos, we have been covering UV and U by V method for differentiation. In this video, I'm going to introduce the concept of chain rule and we'll see how to calculate differentiations for input functions using chain rule. So let's first understand what is chain rule. Let the input function be y. So essentially, we are trying to calculate dy by dx. According to chain rule, dy by dx can be written as dy by dt into dt by dx. It looks very vague in terms of formula. So I'm going to explain this concept of chain rule directly with an example. Let the input be y is equal to e power 3x. Before we apply chain rule, you know that to differentiate d by dx of e power x is just e power x. However, the input in this case is not e power x but e power 3x. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to substitute this 3x with another variable. In this instance, I'm going to use the letter t. So let me put t is equal to 3x. So whenever I encounter 3x now, I'm going to replace that with t. So what happens to my input function? Now y is equal to e power t. Now you know how to find out what is dy by dt in this particular case. So d by dt of e power t. Now compare it to the input d by dx of e power x is e power x. The same thing we are asked to do here, only thing the variable's name has changed. So the output is going to remain the same. So d by dt of e power t is e power t. So now what we have calculated? We have calculated dy by dt. Now one more thing is left, which is the dt by dx. So let us do the dt by dx, which is d by dx of t. What have we kept as t? The 3x. So this is going to be d by dx of 3x. We know how to do this, right? So d by dx of 3x is simply 3. If you have any doubts, please go back to my previous videos to see how to calculate this value. So now d by dx of 3x is equal to 3. Let's write the final dy by dx. So dy by dx is going to be equal to dy by dt, which we have calculated as e power t, into dt by dx, which we have calculated as 3. So this is nothing but 3 e power t. And since we want the answers with respect to x, I'm going to put back the value of t back to the value of the variable. So this is 3 e power 3x. This is how you differentiate using chain rule. In the next video also, we will try to take up some more examples of chain rule. Please note, chain rules are going to start with simple examples, but slowly I will be combining both U by V, UV methods along with chain rules. So there are going to be quite some examples that we are going to see in this particular playlist. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.